guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free money in Coinbase. If you don't have the account with these guys, you can go down into the description there. I'll paste the link. Click on that link, sign up, it's free, and then once you've logged in after signing up, all you're going to do is go into this Earn Rewards. So you're going to click on Earn Rewards, and you're going to watch these videos. There's different currencies that are going to pay you to watch these videos, and each one, you can see this one I've already done. So you've earned 2 MKR. It's a 2-minute video, and you can do this 3 times. So there's a quick $6. Here's another quick $6. There's 12. You know, another 3. You're looking at 15. And there's a few more other ones here. Compound, Stellar. Now you can see here, you're not going to do these ones. This one isn't available right now. And then you're obviously not going to do these ones here. Invite your friends to get the gift of compound. So don't waste your time, but do the other ones. They're quick, and you'll end up with about $33. Obviously my wallet has a bit more in here, as I've withdrawn from the cash effects into here. So, but just by watching those videos, I was able to earn, we'll see here, because you're going to see the big increase right here, but within the day here, it took me about an hour, just over, to watch those videos, and I had 0 in the in my portfolio. And you can see here it was up to about $34, and then now I've gotten a lot more in there because I took out money from the CFX account. So very quick money, and it's free, so why not take advantage of it? And now what I'm going to do is show you how to convert that into the crypto that has the best chance of increasing that free money, and then we can invest that money into the CFX if you wish to do that, or just keep transferring it around within the Coinbase and make more money. So it's up to you. Personally, I'm parking the money in the CFX. You can watch the video. I'll put a link here at the end of this video to watch those videos on how I invested it in CFX, what it is, and go from there. But right now I've just showed you how to get the free money. You go into the Earn Rewards, watch those videos, and you can see it went from 0 up to $34 here. And now we're going to show you how to convert that into the crypto where it has the best chance of even earning more money with that free money. So let's get started. Down below here, you're going to see the watch list. I click on these little menu bars over here, so it puts it in a list. Now, these are going to be the cryptocurrencies that I am watching. Okay, now I've put them over into TradingView. You can see here, we've got Bitcoin, we've got Ethereum. XRP is what I'm going to be transferring or converting the free money into today. As you can see, this is a weekly chart, and I've got everything marked up into areas where I want, I have the best potential of moving to the upside. Okay, and right now, out of all the currency cryptos that I have on here, you can see I've got all my alerts set. XRP is the best bet right now. We're at a support area, so all I'm going to do with that money that was given to me in Coinbase is convert it into XRP. Okay, so I want to go up to the buy and sell, and I'm going to go to the convert, and you can see I was given different ones here. The Stellar, I was given $10. The compound, these are just from watching the videos. I was given $10 for the Stellar, and then the comp, I was given 9, and then 6, 6, and 2. Okay, so let's start with the graph here, and we're going to convert into XRP. We're going to hit convert all, and we're gonna hit, you can see that there is no Coinbase fee, so I don't mind transferring it around here because it's free to transfer into the different cryptocurrencies. So I'm not eating up any of the money that I was given, and now I'm just gonna put it into the cryptocurrency pair, which I feel is the best area to have it in right now, and then I'll just keep doing that week after week. When I get enough money to upgrade the CFX, then I will upgrade into the next package, and as I withdraw, I'm going to put it into the money that's going to increase the best, or has the best potential to increase, and then go from there. So I'll keep making videos because it might be a little confusing for most people, but for now we know that XRP is at a support area on the weekly, and I want all the free money that I was just given to be placed into XRP. So let's convert. Okay, we are done. Let's go back into the buy and sell, and we're going to do the same with the other ones. Go to convert, and we want to convert from Cello. We're going to convert it to XRP, and we're going to hit convert all, and hit convert now. Okay, now we're just going to head back up to the buy and sell and do it for the rest of these now. We want to buy XRP. Oops, sorry, we want to convert from maker to XRP. Convert all. Convert now. Okay, let's just go to our portfolio here, and we can see that we do have it switched over into the XRP right now. Now we do have two other ones that we want to convert over to, which is going to be the compound and the stellar. So let's do those again. Go up to the buy and sell, convert. We're converting from our compound into XRP. Convert all. Convert now. And we've got a couple more to do here. Last one is going to be stellar. Or sorry, Bitcoin is going to be our last one. So to XRP. Okay, and we'll see, that might not be, I don't know why that's not letting me do it, but we'll have a look here. Okay, so we've converted them all here except for the stellar. So we'll see, maybe stellar won't let me convert it into XRP. Oh, here we go. I don't know why it was had a hiccup there, but we're going to convert this now. Okay, and now we're going to do the same with our Bitcoin. This is, we want to convert it from Bitcoin to our XRP. And this was what we got taken out of the CFX account. Convert now. Okay, go to our portfolio. And now we can see that our balance is strictly all here in XRP. there. You can go to the watch list here. Okay, so now that we go back into our portfolio here, we can see we've transferred everything over to XRP, 100% in XRP, and we're just going to let that work for us here for the next little bit. Obviously, in order to upgrade, I'm going to need just over $200, so I'll wait until this increases and gets above what I'm needed to upgrade my package to the next 500 package. So let's go into the XRP here. You can see why I'm wanting to trade this one. I'm anticipating that this is going to move up into this area here, and if it does, it should double what I have in my portfolio for CoinBase. But even still, if this gets to over 220, 230, I'm going to upgrade my package to CFX and have that money working for me as well. So I hope you guys like this easy way to get some free money from CoinBase, and where to park it right now as well, your best crypto. So I'll keep doing these videos as I take money out of the CFX. I'm going to show you where I'm parking the money into the cryptocurrencies, and even when I do switch money from one instrument into another crypto instrument, I'll do some videos there too to help you guys out and transfer money over and have it in the best spot for increasing that money to be able to upgrade your CFX packages, or when you do withdraw money out of your CFX package, to have it working for you so you can upgrade faster into the next package. So I'm hoping this makes sense. It will. If it doesn't, don't worry, it will over the next few months as I do more of these videos, and where I am parking the money in the cryptocurrency. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. I'm sure it's kind of a little confusing for most, but it will make more sense as time goes on. Alright, talk to you guys later.